My goal is to compete in Olympics and a gold medal. I've been in track for 4 years. I specialize in 100 and 200. Track squad, it's nice, yes. I have made a lot of friends so far, from track especially. Yeah. Training, it can be tough sometimes, but it's very enjoyable, yeah. How life has been it's like really exciting. Apparently I'm now famous on TikTok and Instagram now. Yeah.
I don't think she will be another Walaza. I think she's gonna be Kamara Bintu. She's gonna be on her own level. I see these kids every day. I see them cramping, I see them vomiting on training. I see them sacrificing some of their school holidays to camp with us here at school. So it pays off. Yeah, it's a lot of pressure because she's still young and we need to keep that kind of performance. We need to be consistent. The question that we need to ask ourselves is, where do we go from here? So we have to protect her, and then we have to make sure that when she gets older, it's not one of the stats that this girl used to be good when she was young. We need to keep that until she gets to the professional level.
The importance is that we give many learners an opportunity to come to Kira Hazeldine. As a motto of Kira is always that every learner matters, and I think with a strong coaching team we have at Hazeldine with some of the country's best coaches, it makes it possible for these kids to come here being average or good athletes and to make them great athletes, and that is a very important thing. And we also have introduced this Kiro sport program in athletics to additional 8 Kiro schools in this country to follow the same program as Kiro Hazeldine. Okay, you get a number of athletes, which is not a lot, who are talented, like Bintu Kamara. The most important thing is to manage. And at Hazeldine, our focus is not necessarily to pressure the grade 8 and 9 learners to perform at their best, as we need to save them for the future. For example, again, coming back to Bayanda Walaza, only really performed on the international level when he was in grade 12. We also have another number of stars which is on grade 11 and 12, which we'll see at the national championships, and has a probability to go to the World Under 20 championships and also to win medals there. So it's not about now, it's about how can we look after her until when she's turning 16 and 17 years old, because then that's the most important. As per World Athletics regulations, Bintu Kamara cannot participate at World Under 20s only when the year when she turns 16. So Coach T and the coaching team at Hazeldine looks after her, and because of all her talent is to nurture her for the future when she's a little bit older.